Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Happiness. If you're new to this channel, you're so very welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so pleased to have you here again. So today we have unboxing or unwrapping to do. And so I ordered these two furniture from Caffrey's Furniture, and they were just delivered around 11:30 this morning. And today that I'm filming is 20th of April. So they were delivered. It took roughly 1 week to get to me from the time I ordered them. So this is my second furniture order from this company, Caffrey's. And this Caffrey's, I think, is an Irish company. The first furniture I ordered were a wardrobe, a mirror wardrobe, and a vanity desk. Yeah, and later on I decided to order this bedside locker and the heritage stool. And the heritage stool is in gray color to match my dressing room, the vanity desk and the wardrobe there. So the heritage gray stool cost 99 euro, and the Snow Dawn white ash door locker cost also 99 euro. I think that there's some discount on the heritage gray stool, or either the locker anyways. And then there was a charge of 25 euro for delivery. So in total, everything I paid was 223 euro. So because the first set of furniture I ordered, I was so pleased with delivery, with the quality and everything. So I decided to place another order. So it would have cost me cheaper if I had gone to IKEA to order these things, but you know, they will come in boxes and I um have to set them up and assemble them, but I don't have that time or that energy or that skill to do all of that. So I decided to order from Caffrey's because all their furniture arrive or they are delivered fully assembled. So the only thing that is not assembled is the handles. As you can see me there trying to unscrew the handles, they were inside out, just so that it doesn't get damaged in transit and during delivery and that kind of thing. So I had to unscrew it and turn the knob or the handle around and then screw it back. Good thing I have a screwdriver. I just purchased that screwdriver. So that's the way all their furniture delivered. The kind of the handles are inside that, so it's like for you now to unscrew and turn the handle around and then screw back. Very simple really. So that's what you can see me doing with my fabulous screwdriver. Anyways, so it's actually, I actually enjoy doing this, but not the heavy ones, you know, just little like stuff assembling like this, you know. So it didn't take much time to do this, but eventually I did it, and I was so happy that I had everything tidied up, and I had to bring them upstairs where they will stay for good. So you can tell me in the comments which of the items is your favorite. Is it the Heritage Grace tool or the door locker? So that's it now, all fixed. And yeah, I'm trying to tighten it a bit more so that it will be strong. You don't want loose tightening so that by the time you pull the handle, the whole thing will come off. So I took my time and screwed it in. So it's all set and ready to be used. So thank you for watching, guys. So I'm just going to put them up, and then here we go. And that's the final look. So that's my dressing room and the wardrobe that I ordered before from Carfree and Carfree's, the vanity desk, and now it has a stool. So it's all set up. And then that's the Snowdon white ash door locker in the other room, all set up. It's white or off-white. It's kind of white or off-white, white ash, so it matches the bed and the wardrobe in this room. So thank you for watching. Bye.